8 feet long. 12-gauge wire. 30 amp fuses. 2 of the most common plugs with boot. 2 fuse holders positive, negative lead. WORKMAN KW-2000 6-pin, C/B, radio power cord. Known to work with Yaesu FT840, 857, 897, 890, 920, 847. Kenwood TS50, 120, 130, 140, 180, 430, 440, 450, 570, 870. Icom IC751, 740, 745, 735, 706, 706 MKII, 706 MKIIG, 707, 718, 720, 730, 737, 738, 746, 756. Alinco DX77, DX70T, TH. Most with the 6-pin molex plug. Top reviews from the United States. Great power cord. Same the original quality from factory. Great power cord, looks as original from factory. Now my Ranger get a new appearance, include 2 fuses heavy duty and is longer real number 12 gauge. You must buy it, is great. You radio will be happy.